Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here, ready for another Paletteful Packs prompts video. Well, I call it that, but I didn't actually do the prompts. Well, I don't actually even know what the prompts were, and I'm not going to check them out. But if you remember from my last video, this Paletteful Packs box had these Stabilo pens in it that are water soluble. And I decided to just swatch them in my sketchbook, and I did that off camera because I didn't even think about it. I just wanted to see the colors, and I put them in my own version of rainbow order, and it's up and down. And then I scribbled a little gold uniball. I didn't actually use the gold uniball in my final drawing because I just didn't want to use it. I liked how it looked being all colorful without the gold, but I did like the gold uniball pen, and I'll definitely use that in other pieces in the future. But these colors were so bright and vibrant. I was like, I really want to draw my character Frankie. I did not design this character, but I either trade it for him, or I don't know what. I don't remember how I got him, but I have this character, and they actually use both they, them pronouns and he, him pronouns, so if it's confusing, sorry. But they are this artist tiger, and they're really colorful, and they're sort of inspired by Lisa Frank stuff. So I thought that the bright colors just reminded me of this character, so I thought I would do a little headshot, and I was like, you know what, let me just record this, even though it's a headshot and it's not a big piece. You know what, it's part of Paletteful Packs, might as well record it. And I saw online that people were using it with scribbling down the pen and using a little bit of water with it, and I was like, that's a great idea, especially because these colors are so vibrant. And it just worked so well because Frankie is a lighter yellow in color for the fur, but then all the other colors are very bright, so I just used the pens straight up for the rest. But for the fur, I use the yellow, and it also gives a nice little textury kind of look, and they're just so vibrant even with the water. It's really nice. And I decided to go in and outline with the actual pen to give it more of a dynamic kind of thing there, and not just so washy. And yeah, I really like how this turned out. It made me really happy to do, and I was really glad to be using these fun supplies. I like them a lot more than I thought I would because they're so colorful. I think that's why I liked them so much. Because when I opened the box, I was kind of disappointed. Pens, I want paint, but you can kind of use them as paint, and they're super, super bright. So it worked out pretty well. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be done talking about that. I guess you can watch me finish up just doing some details and stuff like that and decorating my little sketchbook. But I got this little sketchbook. I think I might have mentioned it in another video, but this tiny little, where is it? It's my little 4.5 by 4.5 inch sketchbook by ELO, and I put some stickers in it by Katie Did Art, and also some by Tiramisu. And yeah, I just oh, I thought I heard my bunny, but I didn't. And I just really like the size of it, and it's so cute and small, and it makes me feel so accomplished because I'm just working through it, and I'm getting pages done, and it just feels so much better than, I don't know, the huge, I've been working on my huge sketchbook for years, since 2019, and it's kind of sad, and I still have so many pages left. It's I don't like this. So I kind of stopped working it, and I just work in it for pieces that I need to be larger, because this is really tiny, but I can still do full bodies and stuff on it. It's just because I do tiny art. That's just what I do. I just made this character today. I just designed them. I like them. So bunny mask person. I don't know. But yeah, I actually really liked the Paletteful Packs stuff. And I really want to do a sketchbook tour for you guys soon, and just do half of my large sketchbook, because like, it's going to take me forever to get through it, and, like, by that time, I'm going to forget. I've already forgotten, like, a lot of the stuff that's in there, like, a lot of stuff that's in there from people that, like, I don't talk to anymore, like, other people's characters and stuff like that, so it's, like, it's going to be a little more confusing for me to talk about it, and I'm just, like, I just need to get it done. And then this little watercolor sketchbook, it's pretty much done, but I just have, like, a couple pages in the back that, like, I taped out and I never did, like, paintings in them. So as soon as I finish those pages, then I can do the whole little watercolor book, because it's, like, all done other than that. And I really want to, like, it feels like I haven't, like, shown progress or, like, sketchbooks really on my channel in a really long time, because I haven't. But yeah, and I know I'm kind of all around town for my channel. I'm trying to be more consistent. I miss you too. I miss, like, talking to you guys and hanging out, and it's just sometimes, like, I don't want to record because I'm so, like, tired, and I want my videos to be more high energy, so, like, I'm trying to be like, woo, but it's like I don't feel like doing that a lot of times. And after I got my vaccine, I was, like, super tired, so, like, yeah, it's just been really getting me. But anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun working with these supplies, and I really like my character and how it turned out in the end. Thank you guys so much, and thanks especially to my patrons, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, and Jill. You guys are the best for still hanging on. Love you guys. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.